Ever wondered how Bitcoin can do more than just send money? LayerEdge is a cool project that makes Bitcoin smarter, faster, and more private for all kinds of apps. Let's break it down with simple examples. Imagine Bitcoin as a super secure bank vault. It's great for storing money, but it's slow and expensive to use for everyday stuff, like buying coffee or verifying your ID. LayerEdge is like a fast, cheap cashier that works with the vault. Here's how it works. LayerEdge uses something called zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs. Think of ZKPs as a magic trick. Let's say you're playing an online game and want to trade a rare sword. Normally, trades can be slow and costly on Bitcoin. LayerEdge verifies the trade super fast, keeps it secure, and saves you fees. Another example, imagine you need to prove you paid your rent without sharing your bank details. LayerEdge checks the payment privately and instantly, so your landlord trusts you and your info stays safe. LayerEdge also helps Bitcoin work with other tech, like Ethereum or gaming apps. It's like a universal adapter that makes Bitcoin a supercomputer for all sorts of things: games, IDs, even smart devices. Why does this matter? LayerEdge makes Bitcoin faster, no waiting hours; cheaper, lower fees; private, no oversharing; useful for more than just money. Think IDs, games, IoT. It's Bitcoin for everyone. In short, LayerEdge is making Bitcoin the backbone of a new, secure internet, where your data stays private and everything runs smoothly. From games to payments, it's a game changer.